Okay, it's time to have some fun. Let's get started making your virtual classroom. We have compiled some sample backgrounds for you, and that presentation, that slide deck is in Canvas. You can also search for backgrounds, and that's the first thing we're going to do is set up your Google slide and then put your background in so that then we can put in the furniture and all the fun stuff for your classroom. And remember, this is supposed to be fun, so experiment a little bit. Um, I'm drinking my coffee right now and playing around with it, and it's just a time to engage and pretend like you're back in your classroom. You're getting everything decorated just so, and you have that feeling of excitement that you're getting everything just perfect for your students and for a great year ahead. So the key word for this is fun, and I would say the second keyword is just relax. Like if you get stuck or frustrated, we will help you. So there's nothing that can't be undone in this virtual world, right? So we're going to open up a new presentation because you need a blank slide to create your virtual classroom, and it's just going to be one Google slide. So I'm going to click on blank presentation, and I've got my slide here, and then I want to go and pick my background. So in Canvas, you have the link for this sample backgrounds for virtual classrooms, and it's right here. So there are, 31 different ones that you can choose from. And I'm also going to show you how to search for even more. So the possibilities are endless here. So I'm going to do something different for this version of my virtual classroom. And I really like this slide here at the beach. I really like this one. So I'm going to copy and paste it and just put it into my untitled presentation, the slide that I opened up a minute ago. So quick lesson here about copying and pasting in Google Slides or in Google Docs or really wherever you are is your three keys on your keyboard, X, C, and V. So Command X will cut something so you can paste it. Command C will copy, and that's easy to remember because C for copy. And then Command V is paste. And if you forget this, your computer will remind you. I still get reminders all the time. Like if you want to paste, remember, Rachel, it's Command V. So I'm just going to click on this slide here and click Command C because I want to copy that to my new presentation. And I'm going to go here, click on this slide, and just do Command V. And now I've got my slide. Now what it does for you is, and we don't want to link it to the original presentation, we have our slide here, and we're ready to go, almost. So I've got this extra slide here, I don't need that, I'm just going to delete that slide. And now there's one more thing I want to do for this slide here. You see how it says click to add title and then click to add text? We don't want that. We need a blank canvas to have wide open so we can put anything that we want to in our classroom. So I need to change the layout of this slide. So I'm just going to go up here to slide, apply layout, and I just want a blank slide here. So the background stays, but that click to add title and click to add text is gone. But now I need to make it all clickable, if you will, in the slides. I just need one big text box, basically. So to do that, I'm just going to click up here in the upper left-hand corner and just drag this box. And you can see it's blue, and I'm just dragging it there. Okay, so that's it. That's my background. Now, if you don't like any of the backgrounds that we have for you, you can just, let's try this. We'll just add another slide. Okay, remember, we don't need this stuff here, so we're going to go ahead and go to slide, apply layout, Then make our box. So you have to have something to click in, right? This kind of activates the slide, if you will. So we've got this blank slide, and now we're going to insert an image. And we want to search the web. So when you do that, you have this box that pops up over here. And this is one of the most important things about your virtual classroom. And we talked about this vocabulary when we did our Zoom meeting, is the word transparent, right? It's going to look really weird if you don't use transparent images because they look real on your page. So I'm going to do transparent walls and floor. Click here. And now I have a bunch of things I can use. I'm going to scroll through. You just want to find something that speaks to you. You may already have an idea of what you like for your classroom. I like this one. I've used this one before. So, and then you just put it in here and drag it to make it work. And there you go. So you've got a couple choices here. You can use the sample backgrounds that we shared with you in Canvas, or you can insert an image, search for transparent walls and floor, and do it that way. So that's it. That's all, folks. This is how you open up your Google Slide. You make it clean, make it clear and ready, and then you insert your background. In the next session, we're going to move some furniture into your room. So I look forward to sharing that with you, and I'll see you soon.